VP Chiwenga pins down Zvigananda. The 20th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has forced his boss, President Emerson Mnangagwa, to denounce flamboyant businessmen known in ZANU-PF circles as the Zvigananda. Addressing an urgent sitting of the ZANU-PF Central Committee and Politburo on Thursday, Mnangagwa warned against unexplained displays of wealth, in what many insiders saw as a thinly veiled attack on his controversial benefactors. Those splashing money without traceable sources should be arrested, Mnangagwa declared. The remarks followed a damning dossier presented by Chiwenga during Wednesday's tense Politburo session. In the dossier, Chiwenga accused Mnangagwa's close allies, businessman KUTYA Tagwari, energy dealer Wicknell Chivyo, presidential associate Delish Nguya, and gold magnate Scott Sakapwanya, of capturing both the state and the ruling party. Collectively branded the Zvigananda, the four have been bankrolling ZANU-PF events and flaunting extraordinary wealth in an economy where ordinary Zimbabweans are struggling to survive. According to sources, Chiwenga's dossier detailed how the group used illicit financial networks and their proximity to Mnangagwa to entrench their business empires while undermining state institutions. He reportedly demanded their immediate arrest for corruption and financial crimes, warning that their unchecked influence risked delegitimizing the party and destroying what remains of its liberation legacy. The open rift between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga comes against the backdrop of the so-called 2030 Agenda, a campaign by Mnangagwa loyalists to extend his rule beyond the 2028 constitutional limit. While Mnangagwa appeared to distance himself from that plan in his Thursday address, his language left observers questioning whether he was sincere. It is of importance that we introspect as a party, not only with regards to our short-term activities, but in view of the bigger objective that our party wins the 2028 harmonized general elections, Mnangagwa told the Central Committee. Chiwenga, however, has openly rejected the idea of extending Mnangagwa's rule, insisting that the 2028 polls must proceed under the current constitutional framework without manipulation. In closed-door meetings, he has argued that Mnangagwa's over-reliance on oligarchs like the Zvigananda is eroding ZANU-PF's grassroots structures and betraying the sacrifices of the liberation struggle. The unfolding battle exposes widening cracks at the heart of ZANU-PF, with Mnangagwa caught between shielding his controversial financiers and containing a wave of dissent led by his deputy. For the first time since 2017, the balance of power between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga appears dangerously fragile.